Okay, so that window is done. It was a little tough around the curves, so it's not perfect. It will mostly be hidden by curtains. So this part that you see right here, that's not a perfect curve, that's all going to be hidden by curtains. It'll only show actually in the middle, which is perfectly straight. So if this doesn't hold up to the heat, then I'll try it the way that they do in Europe by doing curtains. Screen curtains is what they do. And I'll try that. But for now, this is what I'm going to work with. Hopefully it holds up in the heat. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to show you how the screens work. These are the original curtains. I will be replacing them with curtains that match those. I just haven't sewn them yet. So I'm pretty much going to call this Velcro a fail. As you can see, I had to put glue because it doesn't stick to the screen, doesn't stick to the Velcro very good. It does if I push on it, but then if I need to open the screen, I have to make sure that I grab the Velcro and not just pull on the screen. So I'm probably going to be changing that out later, but I just don't have time right now. I'm moving in 2 days, so this is going to have to work. So what happens is you see these controls for the windows. I have to get to those controls. So the screen has to be pulled back. You see right there, it stayed on. It didn't connect to the screen, even though I put glue on it. So you have to pull the screen back, and then you have to unlatch this, and then do all the latches. Let me see if I can get the window open a little bit with just a couple of them. Yeah, so you see that will go out, but I have the other latches still locked. And then it goes out like an awning, and then you tighten this and that keeps it out. So then when you want to close the window, you have to open the screen again. So every time you open or close the window, those latch like that. Every time you open or close the window, you have to move the screen and then push it back on. So what I'm probably going to do later, which again is not a priority right now, I just needed to get it clean so I could actually sleep in here on my way to Tennessee. So what I'm going to do is, like the Europeans do, if you see that band, that's an elastic band there along the bottom for the curtains, they do screen fabric the same way as the curtains. It separates in the middle, and then you just push it to the sides to open and close the window. And it attaches with this little thing that I bought on Amazon. Let's see if I can show you here. Right there. So that is the same as what the factory used. Let's see if I can show you right there. So from the factory, it already has 2 bands, one for screen, one for curtain. The problem is, you see how far, like, here's the window and here's the band. So you have a gap of, you know, that much. You have a gap there where the bugs can come in the top if they really want to, but if the Velcro doesn't get any better, then that's what I'm going to do. But I may try just a different glue on the Velcro. So anyway, I don't know. Do you call the Velcro a fail? It'll work for now. See you in the next video.